Hey everyone! If you're like me, you know there's nothing quite like the thrill of a swimming competition. Whether you're poolside or watching from home, the excitement is just as intense. Today, let's dive into what makes these races not just competitions, but epic battles in the water. First off, let's talk about the atmosphere. Imagine this. The crowd's roaring. Swimmers are on their marks, and that heart-pumping moment right before the buzzer goes off. It's electric. You can almost feel that adrenaline rush, can't you? Now, moving on to the athletes. These swimmers aren't just sports people, they're like superheroes of the water. With every stroke and turn, they defy limits, pushing through the water with incredible speed and precision. It's their dedication, their early morning practices and unyielding spirit that bring these games to life. But what about the races themselves? There's a range of events in a swimming competition, from sprints to relays. Each one has its own unique challenge. In sprints, it's all about explosive power and speed, while distance events require stamina and strategy. And let's not forget the relays. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? What's truly captivating is watching a close race. Those moments when two swimmers are neck and neck as they reach for the wall. Wow, just wow. The uncertainty of who will touch first adds an edge of your seat quality that's hard to match in any other sport. So, whether you're a swimmer yourself or just a fan, there's always something to cheer about at these competitions. The passion, the tension, the sheer joy of victory. It all combines to create an unforgettable experience. And that's just a quick splash into the world of swimming competitions. Whether you dive in person or tune in from your screen, you're in for a spectacular display of athleticism and spirit. Thanks for hanging out with me, and let's keep riding the wave of sports enthusiasm together.